Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using these 3 wood slices that I got from Amazon. On one side of each of them, I'm painting them with plaster chalk paint, and that's by Waverly, and I just give them one coat. Next, I'm taking these mini wood cutouts that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm painting 6 of the carrots, which I only ended up using 5 of them. I painted them with fired clay chalk paint by Folkart, as well as antique green, also by Folkart. Once I had them painted and dried, I took antique wax by Waverly. I'm using a baby wipe, and I have very minimal wax on it, and I'm brushing that on each of the carrots. I then take these 3/4 inch wood letters I got from Amazon, spelling out bunny bait, painted them with ink color chalk paint by Waverly. The wood slices, 2 of them will be level to each other, and then the third one will be hot glued on top of the 2. So just add a little bit of hot glue to the bottom 2 and place the third one down onto them. And then flip it over so I can add my twine hanger. And in order to get the staple to be able to go on there without breaking it, I put some wood slices underneath just to keep them level. I stapled on the twine and then added a knot underneath both so it stays into place. And then flip it back over, add the bunny on the front wood slice, the one in the center, and I have it curved. Once I have it lined up, I take tacky glue and brush that on the back of each of the letters and place those down. And then place down the letters for bait, and I have those ones just going straight across, applying the tacky glue again to each of them. And then I take one of those carrots, put the tacky glue on the back of that, and put that between the lettering. And then use my heat tool to make sure that that glue is dry. Next, I'm adding hot glue to the bottom of the other 2 wood slices and placing down some Spanish moss, and then trim up some of the excess. Next, I'm taking the other 4 carrots that I ended up using, placing 2 on each wood slice, and attaching those with the tacky glue. And to make sure that the hanger stayed into place, I added some hot glue to that as well. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.